Good morning, Parrot class, children. Today we're going to be listening to a fireside story, so we can snuggle up in front of this lovely, warm, inviting fire while we listen to the story. Today's story is The Gruffalo by Julia Johnson, and all the pictures by Axel Scheffler. So let us begin. Oh, we've gone into the forest already. There's a woodpecker. The Gruffalo. A mouse took a stroll through the deep dark wood. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house. It's terribly kind of you, fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? Gruffalo, why didn't you know? Turn the page over. He has terrible tusks and terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws. Where are you meeting him? Here, by these rocks. And his favourite food is roasted fox. Ooh. Roasted fox, I'm off, fox said. Goodbye, little mouse. And away he sped. There he is, speeding away. Silly old fox, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a Gruffalo. On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. An owl saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my tree-top house. It's frightfully nice of you, owl, but no, I'm going to have tea with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo, why didn't you know? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes, and a poisonous wart on the end of his nose. Where are you meeting him? Here, by the stream, and his favourite food is owl ice cream. Owl ice cream? To wit, to woe. Goodbye, little mouse. And away owl flew. Silly old owl, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a Gruffalo. What's going to happen next? It's a snake. On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come for a feast in my log pile house. It's wonderfully good of you, snake, but no, I'm having a feast with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo, why? Didn't you know? Make the sound of a hissing snake. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Where are you meeting him? Here, by this lake. And his favourite food is scrambled snake. Scrambled snake. It's time I hid. Goodbye, little mouse. And away the snake slid. Silly old snake. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? Oh! But who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes, and a poisonous wart on the end of his nose. His eyes are orange and his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Oh hell, oh no, it's a Gruffalo. My favourite food, the Gruffalo said. You'll taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me and you'll see. Everyone is scared of me. Oh, right, said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. You go, kids, and I'll follow after. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead. It's Snake, said the mouse. Why, Snake, hello. Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, crumbs, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he slid to his log pile house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Amazing, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear oats in the trees ahead. It's Owl, said the mouse. Why, Owl, hello. Owl took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh dear, he said, goodbye, little mouse. And off he flew to his treetop house. There's his treetop house, very high up. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Astounding, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I can hear feet on the path ahead. It's Fox, said the mouse. Why, Fox, hello. Fox took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, help, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he ran to his underground house. Well, Gruffalo, said the mouse, you see, everyone is afraid of me. But now my tummy's beginning to rumble and my favourite food is Gruffalo Crumble. Gruffalo Crumble, the Gruffalo said. And quick as the wind, he turned and fled. All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found a nut, and the nut was good. That is the end of the story. Gruffalo was quite scary. The mouse was quite brave. Now, why don't you try and draw a picture of a Gruffalo, or find some items of clothing in the house that are the same colour as the Gruffalo. That's all for now. Goodbye until next time.